Okay, in this video we're going to cover how to manage your catalog, how to add, edit, delete products, and so forth. Top left of every web page, bottom right, you have these staff login links. We're going to go to staff login. It's going to bring you to your admin page here. We're going to plug in our password. This brings us to our catalog or the website dashboard. We have a lot of options here. We're going to go down to where it says products. We're going to go into the product catalog. And here are all the products that we have. Now earlier we created two fictitious products here, ABC 555, ABC 123. This is your catalog. You have a series of different ways that you can view this information. Let me scroll over here so that you can see this. Upper right here, you have a search feature. If we wanted to find a product by a specific SKU, we can plug that in there. Search. And here are all the products that have 26002 in them. You can scroll through that. We can scroll by dates, categories, any one of a number of things. We have a bulk actions tab here. We can mark all these checkboxes. We can mark a series of them. Then we can do this drop down. We can go and edit several products at the same time, move them to trash, whatever it is that we want to do. Now, one of the things that you need to understand with deleting a product, once you delete a product, it goes into this trash bin. You could always go back to the trash bin and either restore it or permanently delete it. So if you delete something by accident, it's going to the trash bin. You can always retrieve it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new product, and I want to create it based on one of my, actually what I'm going to do is this. So I searched for ABC, which was a partial SKU. Every product that has that is right here. So what I want to do is, and what I strongly suggest you do, is when you're adding new products, simply duplicate an existing product. If you have something from Kong, pick out one of the other Kong products, go in and simply duplicate that. It's going to cut down a lot of your work, and it's also going to cut down a lot of mistakes. We have a couple of options when it comes to duplicating a product. We can duplicate something straight away from here, or we can go into the actual page and duplicate it or edit it from there. And that's what we're going to do here. So we're going to edit ABC 555. We want to create a new product. This manufacturer has just come out with something else. We want to call it ABC 666. So the first thing we're going to do is over here on the right hand side, we have this option, copy to a new draft. You also have right below it, move to trash if it's a product that you're getting rid of. We're going to go with copy to a new draft, and this is going to create a new product for us based on this template. So it's called ABC 555 copy. So we want to change that name. And now this is going to be ABC 666. I'm going to scroll down the page a little bit. On the right hand side here, you have all of your product categories, subcategories, brands, and so forth. Now, if this product is going to share all that exact information, then there is nothing else you need to do here. That'll automatically do it for you. If this is an entirely new product, you may want to uncheck some of these and check the ones that are going to apply. As I scroll down the page here a little bit, you'll see we have SKU. Here we're going to add the new SKU. Oops. There are a bunch of other features here that you folks are not going to use, so don't even bother with them. This is one of the reasons why I suggest simply duplicating. So you're going to come here. We've put in our SKU. Over here we have a featured image. This is the image that's going to relate to that product. So because this is a new product, we don't want this image anymore. I have noticed that you folks have the same image for several products, so this may be a great way for you not to duplicate any more work. But nevertheless, for this instance here, we're going to remove this picture, and we want to set a new featured image. So you have two options when it comes to selecting images for your products. You can upload a new file. It'll simply take you to My Docs. You can pick out wherever it is that you have that file and you can upload it. If you've already uploaded the file, it's in your media library. In this instance, I'm just going to choose this. I'm going to come over here, move this over once again so you can see everything. You can see this preview area here. You don't need to enter any of this information. Simply go to Set Featured Image. I'm going to click on that. We're going to move over again, and you can see that we have our featured image here. We're going to continue to scroll down a bit. This product short description area is where you have the product description, the brand, everything that's showing up in your catalog. Just for the sake of illustration here, we're going to change this to 144. And there you go. May want to even change the barcodes. We'll change the barcode to that. And there we go. We're all set. That's all we needed to do. We come up here, and I'm going to scroll this over a little bit more for you again. And you'll see that there's a Publish button over here. Click on Publish. And our product has published. It's updated the URL, and we're good to go. You can view the product from here. You can continue to edit it, whatever you want to do. What we're going to do right now is we're going to pop over to the site, and on every category page, every product page, we've also included a product search feature. So in this instance, we're going to want to check that product out. Oops. And we're going to put in the SKU that we gave it. And there is that product. There's the 666 that we put on the barcode, 144, the description area, all the category items, brands, and so forth that are associated with that, and the information presented in a different manner here, a little more straightforward, a little cleaner, and that's all you really need to do.